everybody, it's your girl JustJael coming back with another video. Today I'm going to be transforming this dresser that's in my studio. I've been trying to create a little YouTube studio in my house where I could just come and do my videos and shoot my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, so I'm going to be moving the stuff around and taking stuff out of here so I can spray paint. Alright, so my camera died, so I'm charging right now and I'm on my phone. I still have to take this down and spread out the covering thing.
Oh my god. Help me, Jesus.
Oh wow, I'm filming this on a gimbal, so that's why it moved like that. So sorry. I'm not even sure how. Maybe if I keep it in pan follow. Okay guys, so I found my mobile phone accessory part to prop you guys up. I just need to take this out. I got the green screen out and I'm just gonna lay this right here so that way it doesn't mess up my carpet. This is like an aluminum metallic and I'm gonna like accent it with white. I don't really have that much white left. I'm just using what I can find in my house, and this, I have a lot of this. So my camera finally got some charge back in it, and I'm done. So this is what I did. I'm gonna put the before and after for you guys. This is how it looks. And yeah, stay tuned for more transformations, because since it's COVID, I'm just gonna start looking. Oh wait, since it's COVID, I'm just gonna look around my house and try to see what I can transform, all that. So stay tuned for those.